like a first night on Broadway, and I need to ask your help one more time to give some more love, because today we want to take an extra second to celebrate the overwhelming amount of debuts in this company. Congratulate these 17 performing, acting,